Hello everyone, welcome to our Become Beauty Expert YouTube channel. Today's videos is about why Parul Garg Makeup Academy might not be the right fit for beginners. But first, let's talk about sponsorship. This video is sponsored by International Beauty Expert IBE. If you're looking for a career in the beauty and wellness industry, then International Beauty Expert will help to build one. Benefits that IBE will provide are: first, if you run an academy, then you can get accreditation from IBE so that you will be able to give international certification to your students. Second, if you run a salon, makeup studio, nail studio, lash studio or spa center, then you can give IBE certification to your staff. Your staff will be internationally certified and your business will grow a lot. Third, if you have done a course in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietetics etc. from any Indian academy, then you can take IBE certification. This will make your profile strong. This certificate will help you a lot to grow your career. Fourth, if you want to do a job in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietetics in foreign country, then you can do an international course from IBE. This course will help you a lot in getting a placement in foreign country. Now back to the topic we were discussing earlier. In this video, we will clear up and puzzle out the intricacies of the esteemed academy that claims to be the perfect one in the world of makeup. From intricate techniques to placement structure, we will delve into the factors that might pose challenges for fresh-faced enthusiasts seeking a solid foundation in makeup artistry. So first, let's examine the Parul Garg Makeup Academy. Parul Garg is a big name in the makeup industry. She is one of the most prominent makeup artists in Delhi NCR as she left her profession as lawyer. She has an interest in makeup. So she left her career as a lawyer and started her own journey as makeup artist and opened her own makeup studio in Gurgaon. If we talk about her specialty is in bridal and occasion makeup. The special thing about this academy is that Parul Garg also gives training to the students. This academy has only one branch, which is located in Gurugram. After completing the course from here, students are also provided a certificate. All the trainers in the academy are very professional, here advanced and new technologies are taught. Now that you've got the gist about Parul Garg and Parul Garg Makeup Academy, let's take a look at the courses they offer. You can do courses from makeup to hair from Parul Garg Makeup Academy. First is professional makeup hair course. In this course, face makeup, eye makeup, bridal makeup, party makeup and basic hairstyle etc. are taught. After the course, a certificate is given by the academy. This course duration is 20 days and the fee for this course is 1,80,000 rupees. Second, we have professional makeup course. Third, online masterclass by Parul Garg. Fourth, airbrush makeup course. Fifth, self makeup course. Now that was the overview on the courses that Parul Garg Makeup Academy offers. Now let's talk about the most important thing and the reason why you are watching this video is to tell you why Parul Garg Makeup Academy is not beneficial for beginners in the makeup industry. First, Parul Garg Makeup Academy allows 45 to 50 students in a batch, which is more than enough. This causes inconvenience to the students to focus in the class and neither the trainers give full attention to each student as they have a whole lot of army in a batch. Second, the duration of the courses are very short as students cannot grasp the course fully. And also, students have to take master classes because the duration is so short that they can't even able to learn how to hold a makeup brush properly and have to spend double money to learn. Third, if we compare the duration of the courses to the fee of the courses, they do not match and do not satisfy the people who want to take admission in the academy. The duration is short, but the fee is very high. Fourth, this academy has only one branch, which is in Gurgaon. People either have to travel to Gurgaon or relocate in Gurgaon or in the area of Gurgaon. Fifth, they do not provide internships to students whatsoever. Sixth, and the job opportunity is also zero. They just give students training and leave them empty-handed. Students have to find jobs on their own. 7th, as we know that Parul Garg is a big name in the beauty industry and Parul Garg Makeup Academy is a reputed academy, but this academy is not recognized by the Indian government. They provide a self-certificate which has no value in the market. If you did any course from this academy and want to open a salon on your own, then no bank will give you a loan. 8th, as I told you previously what courses they offer, you must have noticed their courses have no creativity and there is no difference in them. All makeups are of the same kind, like bridal makeup or occasion makeup. We have talked to many students of Parul Garg Makeup Academy and they have said the same thing about their same type of makeup not being creative. So far, I have told you almost everything about Parul Garg Makeup Academy. So now it's time to tell you about a few other top Delhi NCR academies from where you may choose a highly professional makeup training. First, we have Bindy International Academy. Bindy International Academy is one of the best beauty academies in India. Bindy International Academy was started by engineer Mahi ma'am after leaving her job worth lakhs of rupees. Their aim is to provide high quality beauty training to the youth. Therefore, there is no compromise with the training quality at Bindy International Academy. This academy is the best beauty academy in India to make a career in the beauty and makeup industry. Bindy International Academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award in India by many national and international organizations. Also, this academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award from IBE, that is International Beauty Expert. This academy has two branches, one located near Noida Sector 18 Metro Station and the other in Rajouri Garden Metro Station in Delhi. Artists from big salons from all over India also come to Bindy International Academy for training in advanced beauty, makeup, hair and nail courses. In this academy, only 12 to 15 students are trained in a batch. Hence, students book their seats here 3 to 4 months in advance. The Masters in Cosmetology course and Postgraduate Diploma in Cosmetology course at Bindy International Academy are recognized as the best cosmetology course in India. This academy provides world-class education to the students. This academy provides internships/jobs to all the graduates. Big beauty brands of the country give a lot of preference in jobs to the certified students of Bindy International Academy. Second, Pearl Academy. This academy comes in the top second position for makeup courses. Pearl Academy has many branches. You can do makeup courses from here. If you do a makeup course from here, it will take you 3 to 4 months, which will cost you rupees 3 to 8 lakh. Let us tell you, this academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship yourself. Third, SMA International Makeup Academy. SMA International Makeup Academy comes in at the top 3 position for makeup courses. SMA International Makeup Academy is not only in India but also in abroad. Its branches in India are in 3 cities, that is New Delhi, Bangalore and Pune. This academy is in Lajpat Nagar in Delhi. From here, you can do courses from basic to advanced level. If you do a makeup course from SMA International Makeup Academy, then this course will be of 1 month and the fee for this course is rupees 2 lakh. Fourth is Meenakshi Dutt Makeup Academy. This academy comes in the top 4th for makeup courses in Delhi NCR. After doing the course from this academy, you will be a certified artist. Meenakshi Dutt Makeup Academy does not conduct placements. It takes 1 month to complete the course from here and its fee is rupees 1,70,000. And on the 5th number we have Parul Garg Makeup Academy. This academy comes in the top 5th position for makeup courses. And for the rest of the information, we told you everything about this academy in this video. People who are enthusiastic for makeup might find a more suitable point in academies offering a beginner-friendly courses and a teaching approach that would shape their budding talent. If you are a beginner in this beauty industry and want to kickstart your career, then definitely visit the academies yourself so that you will get the overview and don't regret your decision. If you know about any course of any academy, then please review us in the comment section. We will show your review in the next video, which will help other students to navigate their path into the beauty industry. So friends, if you want to do a professional makeup and beauty course, then visit your preferred academy today and get your course registered. For more information, visit our website or call on the number given on the screen. Also, if you want information about any beauty academy or beauty course, then comment, and if you liked the video, then like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.